Today we're tackling a concerning network security message that many users encounter. Your request has been blocked by network security. Whether you're seeing this on your home network, workplace, or school connection, I've got you covered with these practical solutions. Let's start with understanding what this message means and then move to the most effective fixes. This block typically occurs when a security system identifies your request as potentially harmful or against policy. First, let's try the simplest solution. Restart your router and device. Unplug your router from power for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. While it's restarting, shut down your computer completely. This often resolves temporary network glitches that might be triggering false security alerts. If that doesn't work, let's check if the issue is specific to a website. Try accessing different websites to see if the block is universal or limited to certain sites. If it's just one site, the block might be on their end rather than yours. Now, let's examine your network settings. Press Windows key +R, type npa.cpl, and press Enter. Right-click your active network connection and select Properties. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and ensure both Obtain an IP address automatically and Obtain DNS server address automatically are selected. If you're using a VPN or proxy service, try disabling it temporarily. Some network security systems block traffic from known VPN IP addresses. Similarly, if you're using any network-altering software or browser extensions, disable them to test if they're causing the block. For more persistent blocks, let's flush your DNS and reset network settings. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run these commands one by one. IP protocol configuration /flushdns. netch winsock reset. netch int IP reset. Restart your computer after running these commands. If you're on a workplace or school network, the block might be intentional. Contact your network administrator to see if the restriction is policy-based. For home networks, check your router's security settings by accessing your router's admin panel, usually 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1 in your browser. As a last resort, you can try using Google's public DNS servers. Go back to your IPv4 properties and select Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter 8.8.8.8 as preferred and 8.8.4.4 as alternate DNS server. I know how frustrating network security blocks can be, especially when you're trying to access legitimate content. One of these solutions should help you resolve the issue. For most users, flushing DNS or checking VPN settings does the trick. If this guide helped you overcome network security blocks, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more networking tutorials. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.